First she's going to shoot the PPK. Keep it pointed down range at all times. Extend it out in front of you. To see how you like that. It's got one round in it, so you're not going to have to worry about double tap.
The safety.
No, safety's not on. Trigger's just hard to pull.
These are the
Oh, okay.
ones. River ones.
Oh,
That pointed down range.
that shell just hit him.
That's all that happens at a range. Rack the slide, there's 4, so remember, keep that pointed down range. Watch your finger placement. Remember how I told you to hold the gun. Keep your fingers out of the way of the slide. And fire the range.
Nice and duck.
This kid's getting pelted with rounds over here.
Hey, man, put the gun down. Put the gun down. Come back here.
Keep it pointed down range. Lay it down.
Oh, I did get that time.
Oh yeah, you hit him right in the face.
Shots
All right,
in the throat,
Yeah.
chin.
So what do you think of that gun?
That's all right. I like it all right. I want to try that 38.
Completely ready. You just gotta pick it up, point it, and shoot it. The Glock 42. Remember how I told you? I didn't tell you to do a teacup grip, but that's fine. Just do a teacup grip if that's what you're comfortable with. Now sit down.
Hey, I got a good shot. See, right beside the throat on the bow tie.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Now remember, you got to rack this. Watch your finger placement. Keep it pointed down range. Okay, put it down on the back.
That was.
The Glock 42. You like that one better?
I like it better than the 380.
That's both. They're both 380s.
As far as smooth.
Rack it. Keep it pointed down range. Keep your hand back further behind the chamber. You got
What?
Never mind. Go ahead. You're remembering about half of what I told you. As long as you're keeping the gun pointed in the right direction, I'm happy.
Is that it?
Yep, that's it. Slide is locked back. So put it down. What'd you think of that one?
Huh?
What'd you think of that one?
It's all right. I like it. I always like the 9mm. I used to shoot Mike. That's okay. I'm ready to do this. I've been wanting to shoot this one the whole time.
Go get a shot for 38. She's been wanting
Now
to
do
shoot.
now just keep shooting that way, right?
You can keep pulling the trigger if you want, but that'll be double action. Give yourself defense lines.
Is there any more?
5 more. There you go. Clicks, you know you can put it on the bench, so put it on the bench. What do you think of that one?
I like that.
You like that best?
I like that. I like the way it fits in your hand. I like that grip.
Okay.
Yeah, I totally like that grip.
So you think you want to buy one of those?
That's the one, I think. That's the one. That just feels right in my hand.
And it's easy to use.
That's the one.